Hi, this is Pablo, and welcome back to my course, How to Implement Resilience Policy on the .NET 5 application. Now we will create the Web API. Let's start. Open the Visual Studio, choose the Create a New Project. On the last screen, select C# as a language and select Web as a project type. On the list of templates, select ASP.NET Core Web API, written on the bottom next. On project name, put Resilience Policy. Select the folder that you use to create our Docker Compose with on next button. Select .NET 5 as a target framework. Let none on the authentication type and read create. Now we already have a simple Web API. Let's start installing the packs that we need. For this, click with the right button on the Resilience Policy project and choose Manage NuGet Packages. On the Browse tab, type Kafka on the search input and install the Confluent Kafka and choose the latest version for this package. Now we will create an endpoint that will register a message on Kafka. For this, click with the right button on the controllers folder and click Add Controller. Select API Controller and hit Add. Select the API Controller empty and type messages on the name of the controller and click Add button. First of all, we need to declare our iProducer. In the iProducer, we need to import the Confluent Kafka. For this, hit Ctrl and dot on the iProducer and click on the Use Confluent Kafka. Next step is generate the constructor that will receive the producer as a dependency injection. For this, click on the Producer on line 15 and click on the Quick Actions and choose Generate Constructor for the producer. Below the constructor, we will create a simple get endpoint. For this, put the following code on the Messages Controller class. This endpoint will just produce a message on Kafka and return an OK result. That's all we need for our endpoint, but we need to register the producer dependency on the startup class. For this, open the Solution Explorer and open the startup class. Inside the configure service on the startup class, put the following code. First, we need to import the usings that we need. For this, click on the Quick Actions button and import the use Kafka. On line 30, we add the iProducer as a scoped service. On line 31, the config to the Kafka has been created. On the line 33, the producer has been created and returns on line 30. To test our endpoint, we can press F5 and in the Swagger, we can try the API messages endpoint. For this, click and try it out and click on the Execute button. And it's it. We have a 200 status code. Until now, we already have our Web API that will register a message on Kafka. And you already have the externals. On the next video, we will create the worker that will consume the message registered on the Kafka queue. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to click on subscribe button, activate the notifications bell, and give me a thumbs up if this video helps you learn something new.